Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into one of the easiest ways to start making money online, and that is creating simple, low content books on Amazon KDP. And here's the best part. You don't need any design skills, no writing experience, and absolutely no upfront investment. All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a little bit of strategy. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a step-by-step blueprint to launch your very first book and hit your first $333 per month in passive income. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, if you've been searching for ways to make money online, you've probably seen Amazon KDP pop up more than once, and that's for good reason. This business model is scalable, beginner-friendly, and requires almost no maintenance once your book is live. And the best part about this is that Amazon does all of the hard work for you. They print your book, ship your book, and handle the customer service, all while you collect royalties every single month. In fact, there are sellers right now who started with zero experience and are making hundreds, even thousands per month with just a handful of these books. And today I'm gonna show you a profitable niche, show you my 3-step process in finding potential profits, and then show you how you can create your first book and start generating passive income with Amazon KDP. Now, there's a specific type of low content book that's highly in demand, but barely anyone is talking about it. It solves a real problem, people are actively searching for it, and the best part is that there's very little competition for it. So stick with me because in just a minute, I'll show you exactly what it is, why it works, and how you can start selling your own version of it, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt completely lost when it comes to creating your first KDP book? Maybe you're not sure where to start, or you've been putting it off because it feels overwhelming. Well, I've been there before, and that's why I created my KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's my free step-by-step guide that walks you through publishing your very first book, even if you've never done anything like this before. It's practical, beginner-friendly, and focused on helping you get results. So if that sounds like something that you need, I'll leave the link down below. Now here on Amazon, if we take a look at this niche, the child custody journal, and take a scroll down, we can see some of these books that are selling very well. I mean, we have this book right here that has a very basic cover. We have another one right here, the complete child custody journal. And if we keep going through the first page, we're going to see these books that are selling quite well. We have one right here. Once again, notice the very generic, very basic cover. So this is a good sign because it's telling me that all of these books with very basic covers are still selling very well, which means that the demand for this type of book is really up there, because even though the cover, the design is not that great, people are still buying it. So if we go back up here, we're going to see this purple bar. This is from Titan's Quick View. This is a free KDP research tool that I use in every one of my videos, and it's free to download on the Chrome web store, so feel free to do that. But it's going to give us information that we can use to validate this niche, aka figure out if this niche has potential for profits. And the way I do this is by looking for 3 specific things. Number 1 has to do with the competition. So for competition, there's no point putting a book up in an overly competitive niche. Your book's gonna have a hard time trying to get on the first page of Amazon, which means that people aren't gonna be able to see it and people aren't gonna be able to buy it. So what I'm looking for is search results that have about 1,000 or less, because this is going to tell me that the competition is not too high, which means that there's a better chance at getting my book ranked on the first page of Amazon. Number 2 has to do with demand. There's no point putting a book up on Amazon if no one is looking for that type of book. So in order to judge demand, I'm looking for at least 3 KDP books that all have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that these books are selling consistently, which means that there's some type of demand here. And number 3, I'm looking for a niche score from Titan's Quick View that basically validates the first 2 steps, and that is a score of at least 50. So with that first step being search results that have about 1,000 or less, we can see right here total results 178, which is telling me there's very little competition here, because you can see this as only 178 other books, and 48 of those are going to be on the first page, which means you're going to have a great chance at getting your book ranked on the first page of Amazon. We see the exact match, 31 out of 48. This basically means how many books are ranking for this exact keyword in their title And then how many books are independently published books on the front page? We have 44. Average bestsellers rank at 1.1 million. Average reviews at 170, which is telling me that since the reviews here are pretty low, that a lot of these books that we're going to see are relatively new, which means that you have a great chance at putting a book up and selling well from the beginning. And then the average price, almost $10 with a niche score of 56. So this is my step 3, which is at least a score of 50. So this is satisfied. Step 1 and step 3 are already satisfied. Now step 2 is looking for those 3 KDP books that have a bestsellers rank of 300,000. I'm going to skip these sponsored products because this is where people are paying to essentially rank their book higher. So the first book that is not a sponsored book, that is independently published, which means it's a KDP book, is this one right here, the Child Custody Journal. As we can see, very basic cover. However, bestsellers rank 113,000. So this book is selling pretty well. The one right next to it, same deal, very generic, very simple type of cover, ranked at 189,000. So these two books are telling me that even though the cover is actually not that great, pretty low quality, that people are still buying these books because they need this type of book, which just means that you have a chance at selling your own child custody journal and doing quite well. The next row, we have this one at 143,000. And this one at 144,000. And notice different types of covers here. This is more of a generic texture type cover. This one, same thing, a little bit of floral design, but nothing like the first two books here, but it's still selling well. And if we keep going down to try to see any more books here that are selling pretty well, we have this one, 282,000, and we keep going down and looking for some more here. This one right here, very simple cover once again, 271,000 BSR. So we see that there's already a lot of demand for this niche because a lot of these basic books are selling very well. I'm just thinking if I put up a book here that has better covers, better interior, better keywords, better everything, how much better it will sell. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the Child Custody Journal. Tracks your visitation, evidence, communication, expenses, court details, important contacts, plus a 12-month undated calendar. This one's going to be 120 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches. If we look at the description, we can see more of what's in the interior right here, which is good for us self-publishers to be able to see what's actually in here. But the first thing that I noticed is a 4.2 out of 5. As you can see, 57% is a 5-star, followed by 22% a 4-star, 12% a 3-star. However, it's still selling very well, which means that you can probably improve upon this book. And maybe some of the customers that would buy this book end up buying yours. We see a price point of $8.99, which if we plug into this KDP royalty calculator, we can see the standard royalty is over $3 at $3.10 with an extended distribution of $1.31. Which is actually very good margins. This is kind of the profit margin that I look for, is about $3. We can see the breakdown right here. 40% goes to your Amazon fee. So in this case, $3.60. We see the printing cost at $2.29 and left over $3.10 or 34.5%. Now, if we check out the sample, once again, here's the cover, very basic. It's not even high quality. And it basically just lays out some of the interior here, visitation and communication log. Not a lot of thought in this cover, but it still sells pretty well. And then the first page doesn't really line up with the cover. As we can see, this cover has a different vibe, a different feel. But as we go to the first page here, this has also a different feel. It doesn't really match the cover. But anyways, it has your name, email, phone, address, start date, end date, and then table of contents, which also doesn't match this page. This floral stuff doesn't really need to be there. And then I can see here that some of these boxes aren't really lined up. As we can see, these lines don't really extend to the top part of this box, which is unfortunate. And then obviously right here, we see PAGE, which obviously this should just say page. So these are the things that you can improve upon because this book is selling very well. So what more if you make a better quality book? And then here are the visitation details and some more of the interior. So with this type of book, as we can see, here are the actual interiors, and it's just duplicated however many times So we have visitation details, important contacts, court, visitation planner, etc., 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 calendar, and notes. And it's just going to be repeated over and over until you have your set amount of pages, which is typically about 100 to 120 pages for a complete book like this. Now, if we take a look at that bestsellers rank of 113,995, plug it into this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, we can see that this book makes about $11 per day in estimated royalties, which is about $333 per month in estimated royalties from such a simple type of book that's even including typos and other errors in the interior. So this is why I say this is a great way to get started making your first $100, $200, $300 per month in passive income with Amazon KDP. Because if this interior, which look at this, is not even centered, this box right here, and look at this S right here, it's down here, these are not even leveled, then how much more if you actually create a book of high quality without any of these errors? Just to give you an idea, this is just one example of a book doing well. I've shown you many examples. This one, 189,000. So this one's making a couple $100s per month. We have another one right here that's 143,000. This one is also making a couple $100s per month. This one, child custody logbook, is also making a couple $100s per month. It's not just one book. There are several examples right here that are making a couple $100s per month, which means that you can do the same thing. Now, when I create my KDP interiors, I typically like to go to Creative Fabrica to look for these done for you interiors that I can actually go through and modify to my own liking, mainly because I don't have to create these interiors from scratch, which just means that I save a lot of time and I can upload more books instead of actually thinking about how to create the interiors. So on Creative Fabrica, I made a search for child custody journal, and then I filtered it by KDP interiors. And then we see 19 interiors here. So all of these look very good, but I'm actually looking for one specific type that's actually gonna make this a lot easier. Now, this is the type that I'm looking for. As you notice, child custody journal, KDP interior, printable PDF and PNG, but the big key is it says Canva editable template, which is exactly what I'm looking for because this is gonna allow me to easily and seamlessly make modifications to this interior so that I can make it original for myself and so that I'm not just copying something from Creative Fabrica and putting it up on Amazon KDP because you never want to do that. A little bit more about this. With this download, you're gonna get visitation and communication details, visitation planner, child expenses and support log, evidence log, important contact, notes, 12-month undated calendar. So basically all the same things that we saw with the example. This is gonna give you the PowerPoint file, the PDF file, and the one that we need, the Canva editable file. This is already formatted and ready to upload, 8.5 by 11 inches. With bleed 120 pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. And once we open it up on Canva, we're gonna get all of the templates here. There are 9 pages of templates. So this is pretty easy to do. All we have to do is make modifications. And the first thing that I usually do when I make modifications is just change the font. So for this one, this is using this font right here, but I'm gonna change it to something. It can be anything that you want. So I'm just gonna use this one right here. But the biggest thing that I see here is that it's not really formatted in this area correctly. This has 2 boxes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ungroup this. I'm gonna delete this one. And this is supposed to say personal information. So we're just gonna make it bigger. And now in order to center it, I'm just going to extend it to the size of the bar. That's gonna make it center. And as we see, this book belongs to personal information, name, address, email, phone, mobile, email, and change all of these as well. And then there you go. Now what you can also do is we can take out the background here. So if we unlock it, we can take this out and we can put our own background if we wanted. So if we go to elements and just look for a background, we can do background pattern, look for a photo. Let's say we want to use this one right here. We can go ahead and just enlarge it and then position it to the back. Obviously, it's going to be black and white. So we want to position this like so. And then what we want to do is we want to edit this and we want to turn this into black and white, which is down here, mono, classic. And then there you go. That's as easy as that. We want to change all the fonts, remember? So I forgot to do this one. So we're going to change this to seasons and then change this also to seasons. You can also change these around. So instead of having mobile right here, maybe you want to delete this. You can add more emails if you want to go ahead and copy this. We can put another line down here, or you can do whatever you want. We can change the positions here. So it makes it very easy to modify. Now you want to do this with all of your pages. This one, like I said, change the font, League Spartan. This one, same thing. And then you want to make it smaller so it fits. There you go, that looks better. And then what we can do, change these as well. And then change the background. So I'm just going to copy this and paste this in here, position it to the back. And then there you go. Now notice this has a table of contents, page 3 to page 50, 51 to 70. Now you can change this around if you want, or you can keep it how it is. But basically, go ahead and modify all of these interiors just exactly how I did it. And you can also change certain things around. So if you don't want this, like Chilled Ren's name, you can change this. You can take this out like that. But that's the name of the game, is to modify, modify, modify. And then to duplicate a page, just duplicate it like that. Or you can go into grid view and you can duplicate from here. You can go ahead and duplicate from here. Then you can copy and paste and duplicate however you want. And then go ahead and keep duplicating until you have 100 to 120 pages. And then once you have all of your pages all modified just exactly how I showed you in the first 2 pages, then you can go ahead and save it and have it ready for KDP by hitting share, download this as a PDF print. Make sure it's all pages. Use RGB if you're paying for Canva free. If you're paying for Canva Pro, use CMYK. This is the absolute best option. And then just hit download. Now, if you're serious about creating low and medium content books on Amazon KDP, don't forget to check out my KDP royalty roadmap, which is going to help you do exactly that. So the link is going to be down below. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. That being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.